The best whiteboard animation software for your YouTube videos. In today's video, I'm going to show you the three best whiteboard animation softwares so that you can create engaging and amazing videos for your YouTube audience. What I'm going to do is simply showcase the work that you can create in all of the different options that you'll have with these softwares. Now that includes pricing as well as features and all of the benefits from these softwares. So if you're interested in that, keep watching and let's just get started right now. Let me go to the homepage, and before I get into all of it, I do want to mention that I'm not getting paid to say any of this. This is not sponsored. I won't leave any affiliate links. So this is just my honest opinion. Let's get started. So let's start off with Doodly. So Doodly is probably the most well-known whiteboard animation software, especially for YouTube videos. So what this software allows you to do is that it makes it simple to create whiteboard animation videos. So you can use this software to create engaging stuff that could look like this. I'll just play a clip real quick and I'll show you all of the options. So on Doodly, they've got the whiteboard animations, which will look like this. Now this is the classic whiteboard style. So you can see characters, you can see text, and then a hand writing that down and drawing it. Now that's the classic whiteboard animation, right? However, that's not the only feature that they'll have, or like the only style. They also have the glassboard, which is similar, but as you can see, instead of the hand drawing in front of the camera or in front of the screen, it's behind it. So it makes it look like it's on glass, which is a cool feature. I haven't seen this on other platforms yet. So that's definitely a cool feature in case you're interested in that. Apart from those two, we've also got blackboards, which is similar to whiteboard, but then it's a blackboard. So this really gives me that school vibe, because when I was when I used to be in school, we always had a board like that. Looks exactly the same. So that's really cool to see. So if you want that kind of vibe, then this is also going to be a great option for you. Now, if we compare that to the competitor called Vyond, I'm also going to show you what you can do with this. Now this one is really interesting because there's a huge difference between the two. So if I just sign into my free trial account, that's one of the main differences already. On Vyond, they do have a free trial, a 7-day free trial, no credit card required. On Doodly, they don't have anything like that, which is kind of a shame, but that's what it is, right? Now if we go to Vyond, I can click on make a video, and we've got three different styles. So we've got contemporary, we've got business friendly, and then whiteboard animation. So these two are both animated, and that's the main benefit from Vyond. So on here you've got whiteboard animations that come with the software, but you also have animations, and you can see these are really cool. I really like these, and these are great for YouTube videos. So for now, I would say that Vyond is winning. But if I just click on this one first, I would like to show you what the actual animation stuff looks like, and then after that, in a few seconds, I'm going to show you the whiteboard animations, because that's ultimately what you're here for. But if you're making YouTube videos already, this could also be a great feature, and that might let you to choosing this software over the other ones, which is why I want to show it. So you can see they've got a lot of templates. Now let's say that I'm looking for a clip from people in the office. I simply type in office. They'll show me 42 templates, and I can choose between any of these clips. So let's say that I'm talking about someone that's on Zoom. I can pretty much find this clip right there, click on the template, it's pretty much gonna load the template, and there we go. So we can now see this clip, which is an animation clip, and that's how you can do all of this. Now what you can do is type in anything. So let's say I type in money, just like that, click enter, there we go. We've got all clips related to money. Now you can do the animation style. If you then click whiteboard animation, it also switches to that, which is really cool. So I can add whiteboard animation clips from money in here too. All you need to do is simply click on it. It's then going to show up on here, and that is it. Now if I just preview what this will look like, I'll show you the whiteboard animation stuff, and then I'm also going to show you the normal animations. There we go. We've got the transition. They're going to start drawing. So this is kind of like drawing plus animation in one, which is really cool. Now for the, let's see, for the animations itself, if I just slide this bar over there, I'm not sure why that's not working. In that case, I'll just add another clip. But what I was going to say is that you can also create all of this stuff yourself if you want to. You can do so by clicking on characters and props and charts and text. So this is where you can customize all of it. Let me just preview this so that you can get to see what it looks like. I'm not sure why it's kind of slow, but there we go. Animations, really cool. So if you want to make a video, whiteboard animations, but also include normal animations, Vyond is going to be awesome because they've got both in the software. Now, if I just get rid of this, I do want to show you. Let's see. There we go. All of the templates for whiteboard animations. So if you've got home, you can click on any of this stuff. For example, if you need a dining room, you click on it, and there you go. You've got yourself a template that's ready to go. Now this makes it really easy for YouTube videos because if the templates fit your script, it's going to be very easy to make a video. So Vyond is for now the winner. However, there's one more software and that's called Doodle Maker. Now Doodle Maker is from the same company as Doodly. However, with this software, their aim was to make it easier to make a video. So on Doodly, you still have to go into the editor and do most stuff yourself, but on Doodle Maker, they've tried to make this way easier. So you can see that normally it takes hours to produce 90 seconds of video. However, in this software, they're going to be using AI, which is really cool. So what you can do is pretty much put in a script or link a YouTube video. Then it's going to turn it into an actual like full animated whiteboard video. And they're doing that by using AI. Now you can see it's from the same company. They've got whiteboard, blackboard, and glassboard, just like on Doodly itself. So if I were looking to do videos quick, I would definitely go with Doodle Maker because they've got a lot of templates, text-to-speech, and AI systems, meaning that you can upload a link or a script, and then it's going to automatically make a video for you. It's going to pretty much read what your text is about and then come up with the right characters and stuff. So let's compare the three. So we've got Doodly, which is awesome. They've got 3 different options: whiteboard, glassboard, and blackboard. We've got Vyond Whiteboard plus animations, which is really cool, and then we've got Doodle Maker. So which one is going to be the best for you? So if you're looking for a customizable video maker, Doodly is going to be the best. They've got a lot of options. They've got 3 different styles, so that's good. If you're trying to make videos quick and you don't want to play around with this for a while, like for a long time, then Doodle Maker is good because they're going to use AI to make a video for you quickly. If you want both options and you want to make really high quality videos and really engaging, I would go with Vyond, just because they've got whiteboard but also have the normal animation style, which they don't have on the other 2. So if you want clips like these, and all sorts of clips by the way, this software is definitely going to be the best for you. Now hopefully this video helped you out, guys. If it did, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on this video. I would appreciate that so much. Apart from that, leave a comment, let me know which one you're going to use, and then I'll see you next time.